can't hear yourself on video calls through your iPhone. This happens when you accidentally refuse to give access to the microphone or apps restrict access by default. Today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Watch to the end, there is a little tip waiting for you. So this is really easy. Open up the settings first and then start scrolling down until you can see Privacy and Security tab. From here, I want you to also go a bit lower and find microphone in this list. And right now, you'll see here all of the apps that have requested access to the microphone. So to turn on for any app, you're just gonna toggle on the switch so it will light up green. And now, for example, ChatGPT has access to the microphone. You can repeat the process for each of the app in this list. Then open the desired app and make sure you can be heard when using the call or recording function. And if the app is not on the list, you can just try to uninstall it, like that, and then reinstall it back on your phone. This will help restore the microphone access request when you reopen the app. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.